Bullish Gochain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market investigators expect Go could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Gochain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Gochain presentation. Gochain is a creative token with a strong specialized establishment and a great rundown of organizations, yet presently can't seem to make a forward leap. Of late, the versatility of blockchains has been an interesting issue, and the victor could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining digital currencies. One of the latest contestants into the conflict is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization and a superior choice to brilliant agreements by utilizing confirmation of notoriety as an agreement convention instead of verification of work or evidence. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it means to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparable situations as Gochain have equivalent market capitalizations to their neighbors. Subsequently, their rankings can change decisively inside a solitary day. To dive more deeply into Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost expectation, continue to peruse as this Gochain value forecast will uncover all that you want to be aware of the Go token. In general, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital currency takes into account high exchange volumes and fast confirmation. Gochain can perform X100, a bigger number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's progress to a proof of notoriety agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any inward or outer issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about extreme outcomes. Fundamentally, Gochain has enhanced the proof of power model by renaming it proof of notoriety for most organization members. While the confirmation of power can in any case be utilized, however, just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can without much of a stretch progress to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains that utilization evidence of work as an agreement instrument. While evidence of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the transformation. Right now is an ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more adaptable, decentralized, and energy effective. It likewise goes past Ethereum-savvy agreements to make something more steady and helpful. Tokenomics of the Gochain biological system. The Gochain token, meant by the ticker image Go, was conveyed in June 2018 following an effective ICO that gathered 20,000 ETH, or $13.7 million. The Go token is an ERC20 token in view of Ethereum that can be utilized as gas to get to all Gochain stage administration. There are plans to make 1 billion tokens altogether, with the ongoing flowing inventory of 498,943,652 Go. The leftover tokens will be scattered as marking rewards, with 5%, or 50 million Go tokens, conveyed during the primary year of the ReallyNet technique. The dissemination rate will bit by bit diminish until each of the 500 million Go tokens have been scattered. The Go symbolic deal occurred in May 2018, with the venture arriving at its hard cap of 20,000 ETH. Every token was sold for 0.00005 ETH and has previously valued multiple times in ETH terms, presently worth 0.000162057 ETH, exhibiting the hopefulness encompassing the venture, considering that these additions were made while most virtual monetary standards were either level or consistently diminishing. Gochain coin outline. The Gochain stage utilizes a proof of notoriety agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, brilliant agreements, and different instruments, intends to empower engineers to send decentralized applications on a more energy-effective organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Assuming you're pondering where to purchase Gochain, the top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Gochain tokens are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Upbit, and Bitham. Gochain current cost. Gochain is right now worth $0. Go has moved 0.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $292,370. Gochain is right now positioned 779 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,422,104 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Gochain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Gochain Value Forecast 2022. Gochain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Go cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Go is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Gochain value expectation 2023. In 2023, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Go's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Gochain value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 2 cents and Go may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Gochain value expectation 2025. Assuming Gochain effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2025. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Gochain value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Go cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Go has a most extreme value worth of 3 cents. Gochain value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Go figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Go necessities by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Gochain value expectation 2028. While Go is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2028. Gochain value expectation 2029. By 2029, Gochain will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 5 cents. Gochain value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome